everyone, it's Maybelle with Love Shaped Intuition. These are the spirit animal messages for the week. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday, the weekend. Okay, for Monday, Raven, Shaman, you are the creator and magician. Use your gifts for good. There is power in your wisdom and words. Connect with the elemental spirits and glide through the void. Claim your place as keeper of the mysteries. For Tuesday, Dolphin, play, swim in the happy joy of living. Inhale confidence and exhale fear. Dive into your wisdom and go with the flow. Wednesday, Lizard, regeneration. As a survivor, you are unparalleled. No matter what happens, you can adapt. Embrace your transformation. Put on your new cloak. You are a master of regeneration. For Thursday, Unicorn, infinite possibilities. You are the sovereign of the seen and unseen worlds. The magic of love surrounds you. Beauty transforms you. Listen to the spirits of light. Abandon the darkness. Go beyond the ordinary and become the legendary. For Friday, Fox, clever. You are swift and smart. Solutions to problems are easily found. Always listen to your instincts. Resources surround you. Be open to romance. And for the weekend, Black Jaguar, old soul. Walk through life with confidence and grace. You have power from beyond the world. Focus on what you really want. You can create your dreams. All right, those are the spirit animal messages for this week. I hope that was helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. I'd love to see you back at Love Shaped Intuition. Take care and thank you for watching.